Checking on my peppers. Got peppers, 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 peppers everywhere. This pepper, this is a small but mighty plant. I have already harvested so many off of it. It's ridiculous. I think this is a spicy banana pepper. This is some type of jalapeno. And these things are everywhere. See them nestled all in there? I don't think they're going to get that big because as you can see, we have this one right in here. I wish I can get that a little better. I'm filming on my own. Don't quite have this. But we have one in here that's already turning red. Let me just pull some. These are little jalapenos. Here's another one that's already started to turn. So they're everywhere. Yeah, I'm excited. These plants are not that big, but they're producing. See all of those? And I picked some the other day. Just as many as I have. But sometimes we want our plants to be super large and super big. But the small silent ones are usually the ones that producing are the abundant producers. So these are some of that jalapeno there. And this plant, again, these are two small plants, bush-like. And this little jalapeno is just overflowing. I mean literally overflowing with peppers. And even had this fall off. Put that there. We have these over here. I think these are shishito peppers. I've never grown those before. They're green, but in looking at the tag, I can see you can harvest them at green or red. But these are sweet shishito peppers. They're coming along rather nicely, and I'm happy for that. Gonna have a lot of peppers, dried, powdered, frozen. And these little babies here, these are Marconis, and I picked some of those a couple of days ago. That's one in there. Oh, those are like four nestled together. And these are giant Marconis, and I have to wait till those turn red because they feel kind of hard, so I would rather have them on the red. And this little baby here, she is a Cubanelle. We have another Cubanelle there. So I have 4, 7, 8, 9. And then over here, I have some type of bells right here. They're small, but they're coming along. And this one, I think this is another type of bell, but they haven't produced. It's starting to drizzle out here, so I want to go and run and get my fertilizer. Although it's going to be raining every day for a while. These are my peppers. What are you going to do with your peppers? What are some of the recipes that you use for your sweet hot peppers? I saw somebody on a YouTube video that said they made jalapeno salt, and that sounds pretty interesting, but I've never done that before. All right, guys, here we go. Keep gardening.